Welcome to my presentation. I am Karnachandra Acharjee, Department of Mathematics, Comilla University. My ID number is 12404018. I am from Chittagong, Chandanesh to be more exact. There are 4 members in my family: my father, mother, younger brother, and me. Professionally, my father is an astrologer, my mother is a homemaker. Now, in this particular video, I am going to start a presentation on the subject of operators or types of operators. I sincerely thanked my esteemed teacher, Mahmudul Hassan sir, for giving me the chance to present on this topic. Now, what is operators? In programming languages, operators are special symbols that perform operations on variable and values. If we see an example, a is equal 10 and the another example is c is equal a plus b. Here in first example, the equal sign is an operator which relates values, and in second uh, example, the equal sign and the positive sign relates the variables. It is used to perform logical and mathematical operations. They are the fundamental of problem solving in coding because they allow us to manipulate data and control the logic of a program. Just like grammar rules in a language, operators give a structure and meaning to our code. Now, classification of operators. Operators can be classified into different categories such as uh, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators. When it comes to arithmetic operators, these are used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular. If we see some examples, there are 2 plus 2 is equal 4, 2 minus 2 is equal 0, 2 multiplication 2 is equal 4. Here addition, subtraction, multiplication, all these signs are arithmetic operators. When it comes to relational operator, this help us compare two values and return either true or false. Example included less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equals to, not equals to, etc. And when it comes to logical operators, they are used to combine multiple conditions. Common ones are logical AND operator. If both the operands are non-zero, then the condition is true. Or logical OR operator, if any of these two operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. Logical NOT operator, it is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If condition is true, then the logical NOT operator will make it false. Here we see some examples. Then when it comes to bitwise operators, these operators work at the bit level and are used in low level programming. Examples included AND or. There are also many operators like assignment operators. These are used to assign values to variable. The basic one is equal, but there are also compound operators like plus or equal, minus or equal, multiplication or equal, division or equal, etc. etc. Then there are also increment and decrement operator. They increase and decrease a variable's value by 1 using plus plus and minus minus. Besides, there are also conditional operators, also known as the ternary operators. It allows us to write short conditional expression. And special operators, these include operators that serve unique purposes, such as the size of operator in C, the comma operator, the pointer operator, etc. 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 In conclusion, operators are like the tools in a programmer's toolbox. Each category of operators has a specific role, and together they make programming more efficient, logical, and powerful. Without operators, it would be impossible to perform calculation, make decision, or control the flow of the program. Thank you, sir.